Looking for a quick and simple way to borrow money directly from Cash App? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take to see if you qualify, how much you can borrow, and how to pay it back, all in under 2 minutes. Stay with me till the end so you don't miss any crucial details. First, open the Cash App on your phone or tablet. The only way to know if you're eligible to borrow money is to check inside the app itself. Tap the green and white $ icon to open your balance screen, or tap the bank icon depending on your version of the app. Next, look for the Borrow option. If you see it, great, you qualify. Tap Borrow, then tap Get Started to see how much Cash App is willing to lend you. The amount you can borrow will depend on several factors like your repayment history, how much money you deposit into Cash App, and your recent account activity. Once you know your borrowing limit, select the amount you want to borrow and tap Next. You'll see a clear breakdown of the flat 5% fee, your repayment date, and the total amount you'll need to pay back. Now choose a repayment method. You have 3 options. Pay automatically as you get cash, where 10% of incoming deposits go toward the loan, split it into 4 weekly payments, or pay it all at once by the due date. If you miss the deadline, Cash App will automatically deduct the balance from your account or linked debit card. Finally, review everything and tap Borrow instantly to get the money right in your Cash App balance, ready to send or spend immediately. And that's it. Quick, simple, and done entirely in-app. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like and check the description for more Cash App tips and guides. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a money hack.